What is going on, happy people? This is your boy Wanga here, and you guys are watching Wanga Adventures. Today we found ourselves at Bronkhorstspruit Nature Reserve, which is located 90 kilometers away from Joburg and 50 kilometers from Pretoria. You can easily access this dam when you're driving on N4 towards Witbank. If you find yourself in this place, you will enjoy watching wild animals and over 200 species of birds which swim in the water. Some just fly around. You will enjoy this place. You can also enjoy free roaming animals such as ostriches, blesbok, black wildebeest, and small game that roam around, and they can come as close as meters from you. They're not afraid of people. You can also enjoy camping and fishing in this place. There's a huge space for fishing, and you can fish species such as carp, tilapia, catfish, and bass. So today I'm here to have good times and try to fish. So you guys are riding shotgun.
So I've got 4 rods in the water now. Just waiting and waiting and waiting. Fish are playing a lot in the water. The weather is perfect. Zero wind. It's hot. But no bites. I told you guys that this place is infested with wildlife. Got a head of blesbok there. They've got a lot of youngsters with them. And when I got here, I saw some look like they were mating. Maybe it's the mating season, I'm not sure. And they are everywhere. Even just here behind me, they are there. And look like they're not afraid of people, eh? Maybe they're used to people. I wonder what it means when they just nod their heads. If some of you know what's happening when they nod their head, please put a comment in the comment section below and let us know. Look at him, look at him, look at you, look at him. Both of them, even this one, all of them, 4 of them. What is this thing, guys? What are these animals doing? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you're liking this content, guys, please hit the subscribe button. Just jump there, just in front of me. So this is me, guys. So I'm just going through some rough patches in life. I'm getting retrenched, losing my job. I've lost a lot of things, but we trust on the Most High God. So when I'm out here, I get refreshed. I refresh my mind. I enjoy myself. Forget about the problems of this world and focus on the greatness of God. Look at the birds. I wonder if these birds chases away fish. Like, is it possible that I won't get a bite because the birds chased away the fish? Another one just jumped right in front of me. Well, I think I just answered my question. There's a lot of ducks around here, but fish are still here. They're still jumping. So it means maybe the birds don't, or maybe they do. Let us know in the comment section below. It's so beautiful here, guys. Bronkhorstspruit Dam is one of the busy dams in South Africa. It is full of love, full of fun, and full of activities. Here are some guys here that are busy paddling. I believe they doing this for fun, and it's part of one of that institution on the other side. They're just pedaling across the dam, enjoying the time, having good time, the animals. And then here is a tractor for maintenance inside the park. The works of God, guys. This is beautiful. Amazing. Guys, I just had a fish on and I didn't have a cameraman, but I just landed this guy here. It's not a bad size. I mean, my hand is pretty big. It's almost the same size as my hand. So it's a pretty nice guy. This is beautiful. You guys also miss the action because I'm all alone here. But I'm caught the second carp. This one I caught it on a pineapple meal. Yeah. So at least today it's a good day. Things are moving much better than I expected.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can be updated when you upload the next video. Until then, stay blessed.